Smog is out. Smoke is out. Soldier fume as well. A fume extraction unit helps, whether floor-based or table-mounted, for 1 or 2 operators. Extraction arms are available as high-flex or omniflex versions, with table clamp or as table duct. Very flexible for a wide range of soldering tasks. Different nozzles cover all kinds of applications. The nozzle should lay flat. The smoke is drawn away from the operator. Do not use the nozzle like a hood. Arrange it sidewise to efficiently capture the smoke. The fume extraction units are connectable to other systems. This is saving filter costs and energy consumption. Important: change the filters in time. We recommend to label the replacement date on the combi filter. In all soldering applications, the distance to the smoke source should be as short as possible. That naturally applies to rework too.